Hello friends, today we are going to continue chapter number 2, First World War and Russian Revolution, lecture number 11. Friends, in the previous lectures, in this chapter we discussed a lot about the First World War. That what was the reason behind this First World War? Why this First World War was harmful for the other countries as well. Friends, in the previous lectures, we were discussing about the factors that are responsible for First World War. From the starting itself, we discussed about these factors responsible. First, we started with understanding that there were several factors that are responsible for this First World War, like Civil War, economic factor, militarism, groupism, feeling of fierce nationalism, then role of newspaper. We understood in the previous lecture about this philosophy of war. Friends, if we look in the history of the world, the conflicts between the other countries, the difference that created between the different countries of the world, these lead to the World War. The major reason was about increasing their power. The greed of becoming more and more mighty. The greed of becoming more and more mighty, to become more and more powerful than the other countries. And these lead to the First World War. Friends, as we discussed from the initial stage of this factor responsible for First World War, that these powerful countries, these European countries, were only thinking of increasing more and more power, gaining more and more power. From the initial stage, we discussed how they started conquering the different territories of the different countries, of the weaker countries. We discussed that how these European countries did not even spare the neighboring countries for the sake of gaining more power. Friends, in the previous lectures, we discussed, when we were discussing about the factor responsible of First World War, that from the Sedan War, these all factors, these all reasons started increasing one by one. We looked at in the initial stage during the Sedan War, France felt humiliated due to signing of this Frankfurt Treaty. It was this Frankfurt Treaty due to which the enmity increased between France and Germany, as France had to pay a huge war fine and had to give away its two provinces, Lawrence and Alsace, to Germany. And this Frankfurt Treaty was not liked by France. This behavior of Germany was not liked. And this increased the enmity between France and Germany, which later on drew towards the First World War. We discussed about the economic factor, that after Germany entered into the Asian and African country in their market, after entering into Asian and African market, how Germany started earning more and more profit than England. When Germany entered into the market, England started economic loss, because up to now England was the only country in the Asian and African market to sell the products. But when Germany entered, it started selling the products in cheaper rate than England, and this was due to this step of Germany, England felt economical loss, and this increased the difference. This spoiled the relation between England and Germany. We also discussed how this greed, this hunger of establishing colonies lead these powerful countries to increase their military groups, increase their military powers. For that sake, many countries like Germany and Italy, they made military training compulsory for their peoples. Friends, for this sake, they also started increasing destructive weapons. After that, we learned how the groupism came into existence. These countries, for the sake of becoming more powerful, they started signing treaties with each other. They started joining with each other and becoming more and more powerful. Due to this reason, the world was divided into two groups. We also discussed how these fierce nationalism started. The feeling of fierce nationalism emerged in the mind of the people. The thinking started about the love for own country and the hatred for the other country. We discussed that in that increasing the fierce nationalism, the role of the newspaper was very important. It was the role of the newspaper in which this newspaper started printing false and manipulated articles, false and manipulated statement, due to which it worked as putting the venom in the mind of the people. This newspaper increased the difference between the countries. This created the negativity in the mind of the people about the other countries. We discussed after that in just our previous lecture that how the philosophy of war was emerged in these European countries. We learned that how the thinking was emerging in these European countries. We learned when we were discussing about the philosophy of war that European countries started thinking about gaining more and more power. For that, they considered war as a welfare. Even German philosophers started the magazines. They started giving the magazine like only the mighty deserves to live and war is the only national need. Such kind of magazine, they changed the mind of the people. Friends, also we discussed how the German writer Nietzsche, he considered war as a sacred work. Although we all know that war cannot be sacred in any way, but still, he considered war as a sacred. Friends, these all were the factors that were bringing the world war very nearer to each other. These were the factors due to which the differences between the countries were increasing day by day. These all factors were bringing the world war nearer. But now, today, the topic that we are going to discuss, that is the immediate reason for which this world war happened. It is the beginning of the world war. Today, friends, the topic that we are going to cover, that is the beginning of the world war. Friends, today the topic that we are going to discuss is the beginning of the First World War. How this First World War started, how these all factors all together lead to the First World War, and what was the reason that immediately this First World War started. Here it is said, a member of terrorist organization of Serbia. Friends, here it is said, a member of terrorist organization of Serbia that was known as Black Hand sought this Black Hand was the member member of terrorist organization of Serbia. A member of terrorist organization of Serbia, known as Black Hand. He shot dead the Prince of Austria and his wife and killed them. Friends, the very initial step was that the beginning of this First World War. How this First World War began? Here it is said there was a terrorist organization of Serbia. There was a terrorist organization of Serbia with the name of Black Hand. A member of that terrorist organization, they shot the Prince of Austria and his wife and killed them. They shot them. This terrorist organization, it was the terrorist organization of Serbia known as Black Hand. He shot the Prince of Austria and his wife. After that, it was obvious that Austria blamed Serbia for this act. Friends, here it is said, Austria started blaming Serbia for this act, and so Austria blamed Serbia for this act. It was obvious that it was the terrorist organization of Serbia, so Austria started blaming them, and so they informed Serbia to hand over. They informed Serbia to hand over the terrorist organization to Austria in 48 hours. Here, friends, now it was obvious that the Prince of Austria was killed. So now Austria was obviously not going to be silent. So friends, Austria started blaming Serbia for that reason, and they gave the ultimatum. Austria gave Serbia the ultimatum that within 48 hours they should hand over this terrorist organization to Austria, so that they can take the revenge of their prince and his wife. So here it is said, they informed Serbia to hand over the terrorist organization within 48 hours. Here, Serbia refused about their involvement in this attack. Friends, here it is said, Serbia refused about their involvement in this attack, and it said that it did not have any hand in this. Friends, Serbia refused about their involvement. They tried to convince Austria that Serbia did not know about this attack. This was the work of that terrorist organization Black Hand. Serbia was not involved in it. They refused about the involvement, as Austria was blaming that Serbia was involved in this act. Serbia was involved in this act, and it was the act of Serbia that they killed the Prince of Austria and his wife. But Serbia clearly refused about the involvement in this attack. He refused that we are not involved in this attack. Then it did not have any hand in this. It did not have any hand in this. Serbia informed Austria that Serbia was not having any kind of hand in this attack. Friends, this was obvious that this was going to create a difference, a conflict between both the countries. As the Prince of Austria was killed and Serbia was refusing about their involvement. Then Austria obviously did not hear about any clarification from Serbia. Friends, here it is said, Austria did not hear any clarification about Serbia. They did not want any clarification from them. Their only intent was to take revenge of their prince and his wife. So Austria did not hear anything about they did not want any clarification from Serbia and did not require any justification. They said that Austria obviously they did not hear any clarification from Serbia, and they also said that they do not require any justification in this matter. They did not want any justification from Serbia related to this matter, and ultimately here it is said that due to this reason Austria declared war. It was due to this reason that Austria declared war on Serbia, we can say. On Serbia. Due to this reason, Austria declared war on Serbia. So here, now the war between Austria and Serbia was declared, and here it is said, due to this war, due to this attack, we can say, First World War began. First World War began. Friends, here you can clearly understand that when Austria declared war on Serbia, now when they attacked on Serbia, obviously we discussed that previously that already the groups were made. The different countries had signed treaties with each other to secure them from the future wars. So obviously when these two countries attacked on each other and declared war, the supporting countries of both the countries were also indirectly involved in this war. So now here the war that was started only between the two countries, that is Austria and Serbia, now resulted into the involvement of many other countries. These resulted into the involvement of many other countries. And friends, here from that, here it is said, due to this, it is said, it was due to this attack that after the involvement of the other countries in the same war, the First World War started. and this resulted in our First World War. This showed the destructive First World War in the world. Friends, here you can see how the First World War began. It's just an incident, we can say, which brought and which started the immediate cause of this First World War. It was the step of the Serbian terrorist organization Black Hand, who attacked on the Prince of Austria and his wife and shot them dead. Obviously, to take the revenge of the murder of their king, of the prince, Austria considered Serbia responsible for this. Serbia refused that we do not have any hand in this attack. We do not know about this matter. They refused about their involvement in this matter. But still, Austria gave them the ultimatum of 48 hours to hand over the terrorist organization. And after that, Serbia tried to give their clarification, but they did not hear any clarification. Austria did not want any kind of justification from Serbia and declared war on Serbia. And when this war, they attacked on Serbia, the other countries started supporting both the countries. This involved the other countries also in the war, and the First World War began. So friends, this was how the First World War began. Thank you.